Hello and welcome to Salt Lake City International Airport. Early morning, snow, gonna drop the rental car off. Pretty easy to navigate so far. Well, I hope I did that right. I was using Hertz and I dropped it off at Thrifty, but we'll see. See what the bill is. All right, so if you've never been here, you got some walking to do. If you're not flying Delta, this is a Delta hub. So the first terminal is Delta, then you gotta walk like 15 minutes to get to the other terminal. It's the rental car center. Do some checking in here. Baggage claim here. I think all security is this way.
TSA. Yeah, TSA.
Alright, so we're here at Terminal A, right after security. The A gates that way. Some more A gates this way. And then off to the B gates. You'll see what I'm talking about here. So we got a nice stroll here through the A gates, and then we'll head over to B. So these are all Deltas. About 500 yards in. A lot of restaurants here. I mean, we haven't even gotten to the little underpass part to go that connects to the other terminal. All right, we made it. Heading towards the B gates. It's almost 6. Looks like all these places are starting to open up. All right. I think we're underground now, connecting Terminal A to Terminal B. This is the long haul. So if you want to get your steps in, just come to Utah. I will say that they've got the departure cities. The font's very big, easy to read.